Homeowners in Warren experience a wide range of weather conditions throughout the year, from cold winters to warm summers. Maintaining a comfortable indoor environment during these seasonal changes can be challenging, especially when windows are not performing efficiently. One upgrade that can make a noticeable difference is the installation of bow windows. Known for their elegant design and practical benefits, bow windows help improve indoor comfort in ways that go beyond appearance. One of the primary ways bow windows enhance comfort is through improved insulation. Modern bow windows are typically constructed with multiple glass panes and insulating gas fills between them. This layered design helps reduce heat transfer, keeping cold air out during winter and preventing excessive heat from entering during summer. In Warren's climate, where temperatures can vary significantly, this added insulation helps maintain a stable indoor environment throughout the year. Another important feature is the use of energy-efficient glass technologies. Many bow windows include low-E, low emissivity coatings that reflect heat while still allowing natural light to enter. This means your home can stay bright and welcoming without becoming too hot during sunny days. By controlling heat gain and loss, these windows help support your heating and cooling systems, making it easier to maintain consistent comfort. Natural light also plays a key role in indoor comfort, and bow windows excel in this area. Their curved, multi-panel design allows sunlight to enter from different angles, brightening your home more effectively than traditional flat windows. In Warren homes, this increased light can make rooms feel larger, more open, and more inviting. A well-lit space not only improves visibility but also creates a more pleasant atmosphere for daily living. Temperature balance is another advantage of bow windows. Poorly performing windows can create hot or cold spots near certain areas of the home. With their advanced insulation and design, bow windows help distribute temperature more evenly. This reduces the need for constant thermostat adjustments and creates a more comfortable living environment in every room. Ventilation is also improved when the side panels of a bow window are operable. Opening these panels allows fresh air to circulate through your home, which is especially useful during mild weather. In Warren, where spring and fall offer comfortable outdoor temperatures, this natural airflow can reduce reliance on heating and cooling systems while improving indoor air quality. Another factor that contributes to comfort is noise reduction. High-quality bow windows are designed with tight seals and multiple glass layers that help block outside noise. This creates a quieter indoor environment, which can be especially beneficial in busy neighborhoods or areas with traffic. A reduction in noise helps make your home a more relaxing and enjoyable place to spend time. The added space created by bow windows also enhances comfort. Because they extend outward from the home, they provide extra interior room that can be used in practical ways. Many homeowners in Warren use this space as a seating area, reading nook, or decorative feature. This additional functionality not only improves how the space is used but also contributes to a more comfortable and personalized living area. Durability is another important aspect of maintaining comfort over time. Bow windows made from materials like vinyl or fiberglass are designed to withstand temperature changes and moisture without warping or deteriorating. This ensures that the windows continue to perform efficiently, providing consistent comfort year after year. Proper installation is essential to achieving all of these benefits. A professionally installed bow window ensures a tight seal, proper alignment, and secure support. This prevents issues such as drafts, leaks, or misalignment that could reduce comfort. Experienced installers understand how to adapt the installation process to Warren's climate, ensuring long-lasting performance. Maintenance is also relatively simple, which helps preserve comfort over time. Regular cleaning and occasional inspections are usually enough to keep bow windows functioning properly. This ease of care allows homeowners to enjoy the benefits without added stress or effort. In the end, Bow windows improve indoor comfort in Warren's climate by combining insulation, natural light, ventilation, and durability. They help create a more stable, quiet, and inviting environment that adapts to seasonal changes. For homeowners looking to enhance both comfort and functionality, bow windows offer a practical and stylish solution that delivers lasting value.